Hi, I'm Cathy Washbrook. I'm another of the co-organisers of this event here, the Un-Symposium at the Centre for Dance Research.
I'm Gustavo Fialkov. I'm a festival curator and a dramaturg from Germany, and at the moment a PhD candidate at the Centre for Dance Research in Coventry University.
Hi, my name is Rebecca Stancliffe and I'm one of the co-organisers of the postgraduate researchers Dance Fields Un-Symposium, which is a collaboration between CEDA, Coventry University, Roehampton University and Montfort University.
Basically, the full story starts with that next year in April, we will have the Dance Fields Conference, which is going to be like a celebration, maybe is not the word, but it's going to be like the moment to see which is the state of the arts in dance science, in the science of dance in Great Britain, which is one of the pioneer countries actually in Europe to work in this field. And together with that, we thought, okay, the Centre for Dance Research is co-organizing and co-starting, let's say, the Dance Fields Conference. And we thought, okay, maybe we could do something to include PhD, postgraduate students, because that's going to be basically the future of the field.
And so the intention of the Un-Symposium was to bring researchers together in an informal setting in order to share, discuss, and dialogue about the research questions that they're currently working with. And the idea for the Un-Symposium really emerged from a personal need or a personal desire to have a bit more engagement with those that were attending papers that I presented at previous symposia or conferences. So the idea was, rather than to move away from the traditional conference format, so rather than presenting a 20-minute paper and then having 10-15 minutes for question and answers, we decided to provide a format whereby I could enter the space and deliver a provocation or a question or an idea, and then the people that were attending could then engage with that material on a more, I guess, an exchange or a dialogue basis. So it becomes an idea that rather than me giving you the ideas that I'm working with, then actually I can develop my own thinking in tandem with the people that are attending my session.
And what has been a delight really to bring together so many different people from across our co-universities, Roehampton and Montfort, and to see something coming together where so many diverse ideas and formats for presentation are going to kind of collide here for the next day and a half. And what a rich opportunity that is to show the wonderful kind of fertile ideas that are being presented through experiential means, through workshops, through PowerPoints, and we are really hoping that this is an opportunity for future networking or perhaps even future collaborative work with artists and researchers in the field, primarily of practice as research, but certainly we have other presenters here as well. Such is the nature of this symposium, or Un-Symposium, which is meant to be much more informal and inviting just rich ideas to follow through and to flow forth. And who knows what will happen in the future? We may see some wonderful work emerging as a result of what happens here in the next couple of days. Thank you.
So I decided to create this format of an Un-Symposium based on an event that I attended earlier on in the year, which provided a much more informal setting for sharing of research. And the idea of a 2-day Un-Symposium emerged out of that. So we have a really wonderful day of artists and researchers coming to share their work, and the sessions that are going to be presented are really ranging from maybe more formal settings of PowerPoint presentations and paper presentations through to workshops, discussions and provocations and discussion groups, so people just posing a question or an idea, and then all the delegates together can come together and brainstorm those questions. So the organisers were really quite keen that the session should be a chance to engage with fellow researchers in a way that wasn't too time pressing or too formal, but that we could really just relax, enjoy, and share our research together.
So together with the colleagues in Montfort University and in Roehampton University, we created this idea of the Un-Symposium to take place this year. And I think one of the most interesting things about it is that we are asking people who are going to present work to bring us to present, to provide, rather than 3 keywords as is currently the case, as is typically the case, which condense their work. We are asking people for connector words, not for keywords. So connectors, as for building up bridges, to opening up to maybe areas of research which are not their core area, but which could tangentially create a fruitful exchange. So I think just the way in which and I hope that the way in which we are presenting the Un-Symposium, in which we are constructing it, will just provide the room for a lot of fruitful and rich conversations and exchange between the different researchers working and future researchers working in the area.